Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which you can tell by the title is going to be about none other than Pepe. Happy Friday to each and every one of you guys around the world, wherever you are. I appreciate you guys tuning in, day out. Your support means the world to me. If we're looking at the markets today as of March the 8th, which is Friday, we're seeing meme coins once again gaining a lot of momentum. You can pretty much see this for yourself. Meme coins outpacing, the actual altcoins. The meme coin market, season has not slowed down. And, of course, we can get the confirmation just by looking at the charts. Seeing Pepe up 32.5% on the daily time frame. And guess what? It was able to hit an all-time high just exactly as we projected yesterday. And, the market cap, that I've been talking about is about to be reached, I think, in the next few hours if we continue this momentum that we're seeing right now. But just a quick reminder for each and every one of you guys, the meme coin market is exploding. Pepe up 877% over the past 1 month. You've heard that correct. Absolutely crazy gains being made, with the price currently sitting at 92.61. Still about 5 zeros in front of the price. As mentioned, up 34% over the past 24 hours in USD, Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. But the most important thing that you guys want to be looking at right now for Pepe is the fact that it's about to knock out another zero out of its price, which of course is going to be really exciting. And as of now, I think that could be obtained in the very near future. So we're talking about in the next few hours. Of course, that is a massive resistance level. Obviously, there's no resistance at that point, but it's a psychological price point. And usually traders do tend to use that as a place where you could probably lock in profits maybe a little bit before that. So that's what we're seeing happening right now. But if we're looking at its market cap, guys, almost at $4 billion. Can you believe this? It's a $3.4 billion market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume is also matching its overall volume at $3.3 billion, with the rank at the top 37 spot. Absolutely crazy things happening with Pepe. Shocked everyone, including myself. But again, this is the beauty of cryptocurrencies, and this is why meme coins are really, really attractive to a lot of people. But insane. I'm just left speechless as to what Pepe is doing right now. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So as far as their Twitter goes, they're pretty much engaging obviously on a day-to-day basis. It would be not too smart if they were not engaging in this momentum that they're seeing right now. But you can see this for yourself. CoinDesk posted, it says meme coins Pepe, Shiba, Doge jumped as much as 26% in the past 24 hours as Ethereum showed signs of strength, inching towards $4,000, a level seen last, which was on December 2021. But I don't even think it has anything to do with Ethereum at this point. It's the Bitcoin momentum. Bitcoin momentum is really pushing, because if it was the Ethereum momentum, we would have seen a lot of altcoins, pretty much everything right now pumping with ETH. But that's not the case right now. We're just seeing more momentum on the side of meme coins right now. And of course, now the fact that we're seeing the likes of Bloomberg, institutional interest, or even conversations revolving around meme coins are bringing in a lot of attention and hype as well. But that's how I'm currently taking a look at it. But if you're looking at the top meme coins, and obviously the entire meme coin market cap, exactly what we've been projecting over the past few days has been happening. We're approaching $63 billion in the entire market cap of combined meme coins, and I think we could be reaching $100 billion in total market cap for meme coins, which is going to be huge. And I think we will see more meme coins pushing up until we get to that level. And again, speaking about psychological levels, that would be a psychological level. Might see a little bit of a pullback then, but so far things are looking insane. And if you're looking at Pepe, yet again up insane amounts, $3.4 billion market cap, as well as, Dog with Hat is also doing great. Pretty much everything right now in terms of meme coin, especially the big ones, are performing really, really good. But with that said, let's, continue, take a look at what's happening, what's next for the price. So if we're looking at BTC right now, our good old friend Bitcoin, if you did watch my Cardano update, if not, then you would not know. We did see Bitcoin officially, give yourself a pat on the back, hitting a new all-time high, $70,000 on Binance. Was reached, and in my books, we have officially broken out of an all-time high. Obviously, I fixed the Fibonacci retracement level, pushed it up to 70k. But guys, this is just insane. We're at about 69k almost right now, and if the daily candle is up, closing even at this level, we could be seeing a new all-time high even in the next few days to come, which of course is the weekend. So really exciting stuff, to say the least. And especially if you were one of the people that were accumulating not just meme coins, pretty much anything late last year, you are really smiling right now. You're making some massive gains, and you really deserve it, especially when people that were picking up coins during the massive uncertainty phase are the real winners in my book. So shout out to those people. But now let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe, because what Pepe is doing right now is just something you dream about. And this should be a hint as to what we could be expecting during the parabolic cycle. Now you guys might be scratching your head saying, Crypto ZX, isn't this the parabolic cycle? Absolutely. This is the start. We're seeing meme coin season really taking in effect, but with other coins, I think we're going to see moves like this happen in a snap of a finger. As I've said to you guys continuously in my other updates, when the market heats up, we move up in a snap of a finger, because of course the demand is really high, and it could just push the price up to extreme levels that no one can imagine. But right now what you're looking at is, we did see Pepe go up to the 95.35 as mentioned. Obviously psychological price point at that 0.00001 zone, and I think we're very close to that. But that's not what I want to be taking a look at right now. I want to be taking a look at this right here. Look at this chart at this point. You need to be happy at the fact that we did see this pullback, we did see this flush, because what I'm personally thinking is, if we did not see this flush occurring, we would have seen the market correcting. I think we would have seen it, because of course there are massive amounts of whales that know that nothing like this is sustainable, just going straight up in one line. And I think we would have seen a massive flush regardless. But you should thank BTC for seeing that massive pullback just a few days back on March 5th, which shook out the entire market. And now we can't even say that the market hasn't corrected. We did see a massive correction, and now we are seeing Pepe breaking towards some newer highs. And honestly, at this point, it's just like you can't even say what's next, because look at it, it's creating all-time highs after all-time highs. And the craziest thing that's worthwhile noting is that it closes its daily candle close to its all-time high. As I've said to you guys originally, there is a short squeeze occurring, believe it or not. Anyone that is shorting, that think Pepe is just completely out the board, now it's time for it to correct, they're just getting completely burnt out. And I've seen so many people talk about this. And again, this is a quick reminder why you want to be staying away from leverage trading. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to discuss obviously the next target, which of course, as I've mentioned, is around this 4 zeros and 1. So that's about a 10% move from the current price level. Still have about a few hours until we close out the daily candle. So if we're able to push back above there, I think that could be really exciting. But a $4 billion Pepe market cap is approaching, like just your boy Crypto ZX said. And again, the momentum, when the momentum comes into the space, guys, things can start moving up really fast. But now I think we're approaching, I'm very confident we're approaching a levels where I think profit taking will occur. Because the reason as to why I'm saying this is because, guys, look at the projects we're close to. We're close to some big projects. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Could this actually get into the top 20 with the momentum it has? I don't know what I would say, but we're going to take it one step at a time. I wouldn't really get my hopes up too much right now. I would love for Pepe to prove me wrong. If BTC pushes up to like $80,000, I don't see why it wouldn't. With this momentum that it has, recently it's been outpacing a lot of other meme coins, which is really impressive. But I do see it breaking past this resistance that I've shown, maybe $5 billion market cap. But if you are not sure, just like again, even no one's sure. If anyone tells you exactly if they're sure, let me tell you, that's just completely crazy. No one is sure what's going to happen with the price of Pepe with the momentum it has. So the best thing I personally would be doing is, I would have my Pepe on, a centralized exchange. Usually I don't put my coins on centralized exchanges for too long because, of course, I lock in profits and stuff. I'm sorry, because I, don't prefer to keep my coins on exchanges, no matter how big the exchanges. Hacks can happen. I always keep it in a wallet, but during times like this, I keep my coins on an exchange, because we're still parabolic. The price is still close to all-time highs, and we could enter price discovery mode if it's able to close its daily candle around here, so we could see more upside. What I would be doing in this time is just keep increasing my stop loss. Keep increasing it, so in case the price does tumble towards the downside, my positions get closed out. So I would strongly encourage you guys to do that, and don't put it in one order. Put it in small batches, so it does get filled and it's easier to get filled. That's what I would be doing. That's a tip that I can give you if you think the price is going to go higher. So that's what I would just recommend, just increasing your stop losses. But that is it for today's update. We'll keep you guys updated. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.